Hello friends, how are you? In this video lecture, I will guide you how to easily prevent, you can easily prevent Ubuntu black or white screen error. So when you install Ubuntu 24.0 version on VMware ESXi 7.0 or greater one, you will definitely face the issue when you finish the installation. After that, you will see the white or black screen. The screen will be completely white or black, and it will you are unable to log in on your console, right? So so you can see that I have installed Ubuntu 24.0 version machine, right? So right now I am unable to log into the console. The machine is successfully installed. I have VMware 7.0 version along with Ubuntu 24.0 machine. So right now I am unable to log in into the console machine, right? So I refreshed it, but it's not responding. So after that, I will restart it. After you restarted your machine, it will continue. It will working for a while, and after that, it will give again white or black screen error, right? So it's loading. I have pressed the reset button to restart the VM machine. So you can see that this screen has come again, and once I type the password, so the screen will again blank, right? So I am unable to do anything on that particular VM. So this is the issue when you will definitely face this issue when you install 24.0 machine Ubuntu on VMware EXi. So in the settings, you can see that my video card is total. My video that I have in the specification of that particular machine, and you can see that my video card memory is 16 MB, right? So this is not recommended. When you install 24.0 Ubuntu machine, you need to give it the VM MB 24 124 or 128 Mbps rather 16 MB, right? So I changed the value 4 MB to 128 MB, right? So this is the requirement. You need to change 128 MB along to click on the enable SD support, right? So I have enabled the SD support, 3D support, sorry. I have enabled the 3D support along with the 128 MB, right? So this is the first remedy. So this is the first troubleshoot step. So I have in the first step, I have changed the memory, total memory, video memory size 4 MB to 128 MB, and I have checked the enable 3D support, right? So this is our first step, right? After change it, I have power on that particular machine, and the second step will be we will install on VMware tools on that particular machine, right? So this is the newly installed machine, and I don't have installed the VMware tools on that particular machine. So login in that machine, I'm logging into the machine. So currently I have logged into the machine, and now I have going to install the VMware tools on that particular machine, right? So I click on it. When I click on that particular VMware tool, it will prompt into that VM. So wait a second. I have clicked on the VMware tool machine. right? I have I have enabled it. Okay, when I click on that, but that VMware tool, it's it's appeared. Okay, so this is the VMware tool. I click on that tool and I know the path media, right? So I copy the VMware tool directly into the desktop. You can copy it via command line. So this is the easy way. You can just drag and drop into your desktop machine. Desktop. Okay. So I'm going into the desktop, right? First, I will change my root password. I will create my root password, and then I will log in into the root with so I got the full access. Okay, so I will go into the Ubuntu user because my VMware tool is located on my Ubuntu desktop, right? CD home Ubuntu desktop, and here is the file tar minus xvx. Now we need to extract it. Okay, so after that I will go to this the VMware tool colon dot slash. I will after that we will I will run the setup dot slash VMware install dot pl. Okay, now we will, do you want to install, it will asking me that do you want to install the installation. Then I will say that yes. Here you need to just click on the click on go to the default setting. You can click next, and the VMware tool will be installed easily. So this is asking that where you need to install the binary libraries, right? So you just need to click on next, or enter, right? Okay, so he is asking me that you want to share something between VM to VM. I say yes, I can share that. Yes, and he's also asking me that here you uh, did you want to drag and drop files into that particular machine? Yes, I also wanted that. You can go with the default setting. Just so after that you need to reboot after the configuration of all settings. You need to reboot your VM machine. So now it's rebooted. It will take some time. So this is the second remedy. In the first remedy we have changed the settings, right? We have changed the setting. We have changed the video memory 4 mbps to 128 mbps mbps. Set setting again, and also we check the 3D support enabled. And second remedy is we have installed the VMware tool on it, right? So it's restarting. So now it's come back. Okay, login into the machine. Now I'm logging into that particular machine again. One more remedy is remaining. I will show you that. We need to give the one more command in the last section, right? So guys, this is the command. I will so search this command for you. So this is the command. This is the last command. You need to give give into your VM Wayland enabled. So you need to Wayland enable disable you Wayland you need to disable the Wayland, right? So this is causing over the main cause of over black screen or white screen. So so you need to give the command in that particular VM. So so this is the command. You need to type it once, and after that it will get rid of it will solve your it will solve your white screen or black screen error. So just you need to type, and after that you need to reboot that machine. Okay, the command has been successfully triggered. Now you need to reboot your machine. So I have pressed the reboot button. So that simple solution, this is the simple solution, right? So we can do in the VM, so get rid of that kind of white or black screen issue. So in the first step I have changed the value video memory value 14 MB, no, 4 MB, 4 MB to 128 MB, along with 3D support enabled. In the second we have enabled the VMware tool for my Ubuntu 24.0 machine, right? And in the last we have execute this command, right? So in the last we have reboot the machine. So this is three commands, this is the three steps, sorry. So we need to do in our Ubuntu machine, so that we can get rid of black or white screen error, right? So that's all. This is the video, that's all. So we will meet the next video. Then take care.